The Congo Basin, located in west-central Africa, is the world's second-largest tropical rainforest after the Amazon, covering 3.4 million square kilometers and encompassing a vast area of rivers, swamps, and savannas, rich in wildlife and biodiversity. The basin spans across 7 countries: Cameroon, Central African Republic, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Republic of Congo, Equatorial Guinea, and Gabon. It's located in west-central Africa, straddling the equator, and the second-largest river basin in the world, after the Amazon. Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services. The basin is home to the world's second-largest rainforest, after the Amazon, and is a crucial habitat for numerous species. The basin is a vital carbon sink, meaning it absorbs and stores large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to mitigate climate change. The basin provides food, water, and shelter for over 75 million people, and is a source of medicine and other materials. It supports a wide variety of fisheries and is home to many unique plant species, some of which have medicinal properties. The Congo Basin rainforest is home to a diverse array of wildlife, including iconic species like the African forest elephants, 𝐍𝐀𝐄'𝐒, listed as endangered. They are classified as a separate species from the African savanna elephants and are primarily found in the rainforests of Central and West Africa. The main threats to their survival include habitat loss due to logging and agriculture, poaching for ivory, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their habitats and reduce poaching, but their populations continue to decline, making their conservation a critical issue. Chimpanzees, found north of the Congo River. Bonobos, unique to the rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Western lowland gorillas, critically endangered and reside in the densest forests of the Congo Basin. Okapi, also known as forest giraffes, native to the Congo Basin. Leopards, apex predators in the Congo forest, larger than their savanna counterparts. The Congo Basin is home to several antelope species, including the bongo and duiker. Pygmy hippopotamus, found in the Congo Basin. African gray parrot, found in deep tropical rainforests of West and Central Africa, as well as the beautiful Congo peafowl. reptiles, Nile crocodile, and slender-snouted crocodiles. Venomous snakes. The black mambas is considered one of the most venomous and dangerous snakes in the region due to its highly neurotoxic venom and aggressive nature. Forest cobra, 𝐍𝐀𝐄𝐒 melanoleuca. A species of cobra found in the forests of Africa, known for its ability to spit venom. Green mamba, a fast-moving arboreal snake with a highly venomous bite. Puff. Adder, a common and dangerous viper species with a thick body and a characteristic puffing behavior when threatened. Venomous Mongo hairy bush viper, Atheris mongoensis, newly discovered venomous snake. The Congo Basin is also a home to several other species of non-venomous snakes. The Congo Rainforest is also home to a variety of amphibians, including Goliath frog, 𝐍𝐀𝐓𝐔𝐑𝐄'𝐒 Goliath, the largest living frog in the world, found in fast-flowing rivers and streams, with some species being endemic to the region, such as the Aphrixalis equatorialis, Hyperoleus langi, Hyperoleus parallelis, and Ticadina christiae. Economic importance. The basin is rich in natural resources, including oil, diamonds, gold, wood, and minerals like coltan, which is used in electronics. The timber industry is a major employer in many of the Congo Basin countries, and large reserves of oil and minerals could drive economic growth and development. The basin's rivers and lakes provide hydroelectric power potential. Climate regulation. The Congo Basin plays a crucial role in regulating the global climate and rainfall patterns. Disturbance of the forests, especially the vast peatlands, could release large amounts of carbon dioxide, further exacerbating the climate crisis. Threats to the basin. Deforestation, unsustainable mining and logging practices, and the commercial bushmeat trade pose significant threats to the Congo Basin's biodiversity and ecosystem services. The growing demand for natural resources and the exploitation of local people are also major concerns. Overall, the Congo Basin is a region of immense ecological, cultural, and economic importance, with complex challenges that require sustainable management and conservation efforts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the Nature's Wondrous Bliss channel for more in-depth and educational contents on nature from around the world.